We can add a model to a federation that another user has given us permission to edit. Note that this federation is within the other user's team space, not our own. So when we add the model, we'll change the selected team space to the other user's team space. Now pick the project that the relevant federation is within. Adding our model to this project allows us to add the model to that federation, because the model is now within the same project as the federation. We can now edit the relevant federation by clicking the menu icon next to it and clicking Edit. In this menu, we will simply click the plus button next to our model's name. We should see our model move from the available model list into the federated model list. Once this is done, we'll click Save. Then click on the federation to open it. Ensure our model has been federated correctly.